A federally protected witness told the Casino Control Commission today that reputed Philadelphia mob boss Nicky Scarfo controlled Atlantic City's largest union. The witness was called by the Division of Gaming Enforcement in its effort to disqualify Union Local 54 by proving the union's alleged ties to organized crime. Brenda Flanagan reports.
Sitting behind a bulletproof screen, surrounded by at least 12 state policemen and federal marshals, Joseph Salerno told his story, that during his past association with Nicky Scarfo, he'd heard the reputed mob boss boast of controlling Atlantic City unions.
He says, don't ever worry about unions. He says, we own the unions. That's what he told me.
Salerno entered the witness protection program when he turned state's evidence against Scarfo and two others during their trial for the 1979 murder of a Margate cement contractor. The trio were acquitted. Salerno explained how Scarfo influenced Local 54 President Frank Gerace and the union's treasurer, the late Robert Lumio.
I don't know how they physically got their jobs. I don't know. I just heard that he said that he got them their jobs, but I don't know how he did it.
Under cross-examination by Gerace's attorney, Ronald Kidd, Salerno admitted he never heard Scarfo give any union official a direct order.
In your testimony, which you gave, he would give many instructions to do everything out of that union. I'm asking you today specifically, what were those instructions?
None. I never heard any specific instructions.
Kidd also attempted to discredit Salerno by alleging the witness had in the past given inaccurate testimony. Later, Local 54 attorney Bernard Katz warned Salerno against perjury. Then, under Katz's questioning, Salerno said he'd never actually heard Scarfo and Gerace discuss union business. The Division of Gaming Enforcement and union attorneys will call other witnesses in this hearing, which is expected to continue next week. When it's over, the Casino Control Commission must decide whether to disqualify Local 54 from representing its 10,000 Atlantic City union members. In Lawrenceville, I'm Brenda Flanagan.
A grand jury which has been looking into organized crime's role in casino cheating schemes in Atlantic City will examine dealings between Harrah's Marina Hotel Casino and a mob-tainted linen supply company. The Division of Gaming Enforcement has provided the Division of Criminal Justice, which is overseeing the probe, with details of a recently discovered contract between Harrah's and independent linen supply company. The supply company is owned by a man supposedly linked to reputed crime boss Nicky Scarfo. DGE officials stress that Harrah's is not under investigation.